top altcoins under $1, top 12 underrated cryptocurrencies. Hi, welcome back to Art of Marketing blog, a place where we talk about money, I'm rolling. Making money online, working from home, and cryptocurrency. And these are my top 12 picks for underrated cryptocurrencies you can buy for under $1. So these are top performing altcoins you can buy and hopefully make bank with them in 2021 and 2022. Before we start, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, click on the bell, and leave me a comment if you have any questions. Also, check out all the links in the description of this video. The first link takes you to a course that will show you how to get free cryptocurrency. Check everything else out as well. And right now, let's jump into this video. So in this video, I will show you top 12 top altcoins under $1 that I found on coinmarketcap.com, and these are all in top 75 cryptocurrencies in the world. So these are not some altcoins that you can find outside of the top 1000. These are all in top 75, and again, you can get in for less than $1, and these will be in no particular order. Number one, we have Dogecoin, and as you can see, Dogecoin is currently the 9th biggest cryptocurrency in the world, and you can get in for 25 cents as of the moment of recording this video. Let's check the yearly price, and as you can see, this past year you could get in for as low as 0.002 cents. So if you did get in at this price, you're probably very happy. You 100x'd your investment, and the highest price this year was at 73 cents. So as you can see, the highest point was back in April, or actually May, and we are slowly building back up to this price again. So let me tell you what is Dogecoin. I found this article on Investopedia, and Dogecoin, or Doge, is a peer-to-peer open source cryptocurrency. It is considered an altcoin and an almost sarcastic meme coin. Launched in December 2013, Dogecoin has the image of Shiba Inu dog as its logo. While it was created seemingly as a joke, Dogecoin's blockchain still has merit. Its underlying technology is derived from Litecoin. Notable features of Dogecoin, which uses a script algorithm, are its low price and unlimited supply. So I think that a lot of people will be actually using Dogecoin for payments. I actually use it for payments. I paid multiple times with it. I actually sold the car and got money for it in Dogecoin as well. So it's very cheap to use, and obviously cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin will be for storing value, and for payments I think Dogecoin is something that we could definitely use. Again, 25 cents right now. I actually recorded a full video on Dogecoin price prediction, so make sure to check it out as well. This is number one. Number two, we have Shiba Inu. This is sort of a Dogecoin clone. So as you can see, the price right now is 0.00028 cents. So you can really buy a lot of Shiba for $1. This past year, as you can see, it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros and 5, and the highest price was 4 zeros and 3. And I actually got in more or less at this price, so I'm super happy because I already quadrupled my investment. This is the 19th biggest cryptocurrency right now. Obviously, the highest price was back in May with all the other cryptocurrencies, and we are building back up to the same price and maybe even surpassing it still this year. So guys, Shiba Inu, let me tell you what it is. As you can see, Shiba Inu coin, or SHIB, is the latest doggy themed cryptocurrency that everyone is barking about. Here's what you need to know about Shiba. So Shiba is an Ethereum based ERC20 token that has risen in popularity this year, largely because of its dog themed ecosystem after everyone was jumping on the Dogecoin bandwagon. Speculation on its price by retail investors and strong community engagement. The official SHIB Twitter account, for example, has over 1.2 million followers, more than leading crypto companies such as Cardano, Kraken, and Solana. So guys, I think when Bitcoin will reach $100,000 this year, then people will move on to Ethereum, Cardano, Polkadot, all these cheaper altcoins, and then people will start buying stuff like Shiba. So the potential is really big. Again, I recorded a full video on the Shiba Inu price prediction, so make sure to check it out right now. This is my second pick. Number 3, we have Stellar. So Stellar is currently the 22nd biggest cryptocurrency, and you can get in for 39 cents right now. Let's check out the yearly low and high. Yearly low 7 cents, yearly high 79 cents. So you can easily build back up to 80 cents, maybe even $1, so you can 2x, 3x the amount of your investment still right now. Let's check out the yearly chart. As you can see, again, just like with all the other cryptos. The highest point was in April or May. This was actually the 11th of May, and again we are building back up to this all-time high. Let me tell you what is Stellar. So the term Stellar cryptocurrency refers to a digital virtual currency developed by Stellar Development Foundation. The organization's currency, which is called the Lumen, is traded under the symbol XLM on various cryptocurrency exchanges. Lumens can be used by traders on the Stellar network, which is a blockchain-based distributed ledger network that connects banks, payment systems, and people to facilitate low-cost cross-asset transfers of value, including payments. So it actually has a real-world application. I'm hearing a lot of good news about Stellar, a lot of updates, a lot of companies are actually starting to use Stellar, so there's a lot of price increase potential with Stellar. So that's my pick number 3. Number 4, we have Tron or TRX, and right now it is 10 cents per coin. Again, let's check out the yearly low and high. Yearly low 1 cent, yearly high almost 18 cents. So again, still a lot of room to grow. And if you're going to check the yearly chart, again, same exact story. We had the all-time high back in May. Now we are building back up to it, and let me tell you what is Tron. This is from Wikipedia. Tron is a decentralized open source blockchain based operating system with smart contracts functionality, proof of stake principles as its consensus algorithm, and a cryptocurrency native to the system known as Tronix or TRX. Established in March 2014, and since 2017 it has been overseen and supervised by the Tron Foundation, a non-profit organization in Singapore established the same year, and it is originally an Ethereum-based ERC20 token which switched its protocol to its own blockchain in 2018. So the cool thing is that we have the smart contracts and we have proof of stake principles, so still a lot of room to go for Tron. Again, 10 cents right now. I think we still have a great potential here with Tron. Next up we have Hedera or H-bar, currently 39 cents. Again, let's check out the yearly low and high. 2 cents yearly low, 57 cents yearly high. Again, same exact story. It actually hit a peak back in May, and we also hit another peak right here in September. So really interesting. We are building back up to 57 cents. And let me tell you what is H-bar or what is Hedera hash graph. I actually recorded a video on it as well, so make sure to check it out. Hedera hash graph is a cryptocurrency network seeking to serve as a platform on which anyone can transact and deploy applications, but where a group of businesses oversee the software. Toward this goal, Hedera makes notable design trade-offs that makes it different from other platforms. For example, the network supports high transaction speeds for H-bar cryptocurrency, but allows only approved nodes to participate in determining transaction history. So guys, if you want more information on H-bar, check out my full video on the price prediction. And right now, let's go to the next coin, and the next coin is Crypto.com coin or CRO, C-R-O. Currently at 19 cents. I actually invested in it when it was 16 cents. You can stake it. This is a native coin from the Crypto.com exchange. So when Binance released its BNB coin, it was more or less the same price. It was a few cents. Now it's $500. We have a lot of growth potential, especially when the Crypto.com exchange will be getting bigger and bigger. So let's check the yearly stats. 5 cents the yearly low, 27 cents yearly high, and as you can see the yearly chart, again we have the same story. Back in May we hit a peak, and now we are building back up to it. Let me tell you what is Crypto.com coin. So Crypto.com coin or CRO is the native token of the Crypto.com chain. The chain was created to build a network of cryptocurrency projects and develop merchants' ability to accept crypto as a form of payment. Crypto.com chain is a high-performing native blockchain solution which will make the transaction flows between crypto users and merchants accepting crypto seamless, cost-efficient, and secure. So I actually have a full video on Crypto.com as well, so make sure to check it out. Let's go to the next coin, and it is the Graph or GRT, 86 cents right now. Again, let's check out the yearly low and the yearly high. Check this out. The yearly low was $0 because this is a new coin, and the yearly high is almost $3, $2.88. And on the yearly chart, as you can see, it was released in the beginning of the year, and the yearly high was in February. So a little bit different story. So again, the yearly high was at 288. Now we are building back up, and let me tell you what is Graph right now. So what is GRT? The Graph is an open source software used to collect, process, and store data from various blockchain applications to facilitate information retrieval. Originally launched on the Ethereum blockchain, the Graph's mission is to help developers use relevant data to increase the efficiency of their decentralized applications or dApps. So again, it has a real world application, and we still have a lot of room to grow, especially because it is under $1. Next up, we have eCash or XEC, and currently the price, as you can see, is 0.00019. So really cheap, more or less the same price as Shiba. Let's go to the yearly low and high. It's not really much different. It's 4 zeros and 1 or 4 zeros and 3 or 3 zeros and 3. So let's take a look at the yearly chart, and as you can see, the highest point was actually in September, and we are sort of cruising from this point on. So super cheap. Even $1 will buy quite a few coins or tokens. So definitely check out eCash if you're interested in it. And let me tell you what is eCash. This is their website. As you can see, the eCash store gets started. Introducing eCash, the new battle-tested cryptocurrency forged from centuries of economic theory and over a decade of real-world crypto experience. eCash is the implementation of tech-secured sound money envisioned by luminaries in monetary philosophy like Milton Friedman. So if I'm correct, I think one of the guys that created one of the Bitcoin forks is included in this project. So I actually recorded a full video on eCash, so check it out. I go deeper into it, but as I remember, one of the Bitcoin guys is involved in the eCash project. So again, check out my full video on eCash. And next up we have Harmony or Harmony One, 57th biggest cryptocurrency right now, and it will cost you 24 cents per token. The yearly price 0.003 cents, and the highest price was actually 26 cents, so not much higher than where we are right now, and we are actually hitting the peak right now. So end of October 2021. Let me tell you what it is. So Harmony One is a blockchain-based platform built to solve the riddle of delivering both scalability and decentralization at no expense of one another. So there's much more information right here if you want to check it out on cryptonews.com. And right now, let's go to the next token. We have AMP or AMP, and as you can see, you can get in for less than 5 cents, 0.49, and this is the 64th biggest cryptocurrency in the world right now. The yearly chart, as you can see, the lowest price 0.00007, and the highest was 12 cents, so almost the triple from where we are right now. The yearly chart right here, again, the highest point was back in June, so not May but in June. And right now, let me tell you what is AMP. So as you can see, about AMP, the Flexa network enables crypto collateralized payments at brick and mortar vendors, and AMP is the digital asset token used to collateralize payments on the network, making them instant and secure. It is built on the Ethereum blockchain in accordance with the ERC20 standard for tokens. AMP can be bought and sold for fiat currency or for other digital currency. So that's AMP for you. Next up, we have Chiliz or CHZ, the 67th biggest cryptocurrency right now. It will cost you 32 cents. Yearly low and yearly high is 0.008 cents and 89 cents. So 100x if you got in early and you sold it at the peak. Again, right now 32 cents. Checking out the yearly chart, very similar. We had a peak back in April, and right now let me tell you what is Chiliz. So this is the world's leading blockchain fintech provider for sports and entertainment. Chiliz developed the Socials.com Sports, a fan engagement platform which is built on the Chiliz blockchain infrastructure and uses the CHZ token as its exclusive on-platform currency. So guys, this is actually connected to real-world events. So for example, if someone is selling tickets to a live event like a football game or a basketball game or any other live event, they can use Chiliz, which has a real world application, and this means that again we have a lot of room to grow. And I think from this point on we will see a lot of cryptocurrencies similar to Chiliz. This is one of the first ones. Next up we have Hollow Hut. So the price right now is 0.009 cents, so almost a cent. So for $1 you can get 100 plus tokens, and the yearly low and high was 0.0004 and 3 cents. So we can potentially 3x the amount of our investment still in 2021, maybe even more. Let's check out the yearly chart. Again, the same peak as most of the cryptocurrencies back in April, and as you can see we have the explanation of what is Hollow or Hut. So Hollow Hut is a cryptocurrency that powers the Hollow chain. The Hollow chain provides a peer-to-peer platform for developers to build decentralized applications and aims to change the paradigm of data-centric blockchains to an agent-centric system. In Holochain's fledgling system, no true global consensus is maintained. Instead, each agent in the public blockchain maintains a private fork, essentially, that is managed and stored in a limited way on the public blockchain with a distributed hash table. So that's Hut or Hollow Hut, however you want to call it. And these are my top 12 picks for you guys. So these are my top altcoins to buy for under $1. Definitely underrated cryptocurrencies. Still a lot of room to grow. Now it doesn't really mean that all of these cryptocurrencies will go to $5 and $10 or $100 or $1,000, but if they will 2x or 3x or 4x, then you made your money back and then some. So thanks for watching. Before you go, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, click on the bell, and leave me a comment. Check out all the links in the description of this video. Again, the first link will take you to a course that shows you how to get free cryptocurrencies. Check everything else out as well. Watch all the rest of the videos on this channel. I have tons of price prediction videos of most of the tokens that I spoke about in this video. So check it all out and see you in the next video. Ciao.